Good day, beautiful traders out there. You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick, guys. Today I am going to share with you guys this powerful strategy once again today. Guys, just as I promised you guys that whenever I, come across something that is working perfectly fine, or I'm going to share with you guys, and you guys will also try it out and see how it goes with your own end. All right, so that is exactly what I'm doing right now. These particular tools that you're looking at right now, these particular tools, all right, these particular tools are very, very powerful, guys. So what I want you guys to do right now is to sit back, relax, and listen properly, and make sure you gather all the necessary information that I want you guys to understand here on this particular video. All right, so for me to be sharing this particular strategy with you guys here, I really want to let you guys know one thing. All right, when you are trading my strategies, guys, stop moving your chart from one place to another. Once you open your MetaTrader 5, exactly the way you made it when you open it, that is how you are going to let that your chart be. All right, stop moving your chart from one place to another. All right, stop shifting your chart from left to right, or trying to position chart one place to get signal. Look at this here. If I happens to shift this chart to any particular place, probably all this I won't be able to get all this. All right, so if you are trading my signal, as I said earlier on, make sure you allow your chart to be on a default move, all right, or a default mode. All right, so that is it, and that is one. So secondly, the way this strategy really works is very, very simple, and I want you to pay very close attention right now, because this is where your money lies. All right, so when you look at this particular crossover line, these particular two lines, the the green and the black line here in our indicator window one, guys, this is where I love to open my position, guys. You see this particular place before the black crosses the green, before the black crosses the green line. That is the exact point that I always like to open my positions. All right, so when you cross check this thing, this particular place that I marked right now, it will correspond with this. All right, it will correspond with this. So look at it here, guys. Probably you might be wondering, look at what I'm saying. Use the crossbar and you can see what I'm saying. There is no mistake with what I just said, guys. So when you spot something like this, all right, try as much as possible to observe this this black before this particular crossover, before it crosses that green line. Once you see something like this and you cross check with the main chart and see that the candle that pierces this middle line, all right, the candle that pierces this middle line of bollinger band has closed above that middle line, what you need to do, you open your position. If it is by a situation like this, you open your position, guys. You open your position. Once you open your position, this is volatility 75, you set your stop loss at the back of that middle line of bollinger band. All right, then your target should be when the market gets to this upper band of bollinger band, which is here. All right, do not be greedy, guys. This is volatility. For you to be on this trade from this zone to this place is a big money. So where you're going to set your take profit should be at the upper band of this bollinger band. All right, but if you are a professional and you want to roll this market far, you can be watching your trade, but make sure you set your stop loss somewhere here, and if the market moves a little bit, you can adjust your stop loss. That is, you are trapping your profit already. All right, so that is how powerful, and that is your sniper entry with this strategy, guys. All right, with what is killing most of you guys is you don't really know where is your sniper entry. All right, this particular strategy is just for quick scalping, guys. I just want to share with you guys, because this strategy, I used it the first time I discovered this strategy, and the strategy made a lot of money for me. All right, so this is just for quick scalping for also beginners. All right, for also a beginner. If you are a beginner or if you are a newbie, just follow what I just explained right now. Make sure for you to open a position, you wait patiently for this particular black line. As soon as this particular black line wants to cross this green line here, all right, not after the crossover. I said when it is about to cross this green line here, that is when you cross check with the main chart. As soon as the whole thing, or the candlestick that pierces this middle line of bollinger band closes above this middle line of bollinger band, and it corresponds with what I just explained here now in the indicator window 1, you open your position, you set your stop loss at the back of that middle line of bollinger bands. All right, then your TP should be at the upper band of bollinger band. As the market is approaching that upper band, that is where you will set your take profit. All right, but if you are a professional, guys, make sure you will be doing what I just said. When the market moves at least 10-20 pips, you adjust your stop loss. By then you will be trapping, by so doing, sorry, you will be trapping your profit. All right, if the market happens to go against you, you will the market will be you will be taken out of the market, and you have already trapped some profit down. All right, so that is the accurate way for you to trade this particular strategy. And just as I said before, guys, that is your sniper entry. Whether you are a professional or you are a newbie, this thing that I stated here, these points that I made here, that is your sniper entry. Do not allow this black line to cross this green line before you open your position, except you want to go long. All right, except you want to go long, you don't want to scalp. But if you want to scalp, as soon as this black line is about to cross this green line here, and you cross checked here, and the whole two things tally, that is when you will open your position for a quick scalping, guys. So this works perfectly on V75, guys. And also, if you are asking or you are wondering what is the zoom level that I'm using, the zoom level that I'm using is zoom level 3. That is what I normally use. All right, I'm using zoom level 3, and if you don't know how to get that, when you zoom out completely, you zoom in 3 times, pinch your screen. If you're using phone, pinch your screen 3 good times, you will get zoom level 3, guys. So with that being said, if you are new to my channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video or hearing my voice for the first time, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from Global FX, and what I do here is whenever I find something that is working very fine, I come to my channel here and share it with you guys, so that you guys will try it out on your own and see how it goes on your end. And if you are new to my channel, as I said earlier on, and you have not subscribed to this channel, I want you to do me that favor and smash that subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful and you like content like this, I want you to smash that like button, give this video thumbs up, guys. And you want to be getting notified or notification whenever I upload content like this, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be among the first that you will be notified that I have uploaded another valuable content like this. So with that being said, guys, before I forgot, let me share the settings with you guys, so that you'll be able to set your own screen this way. All right, so you click on this F icon here. Once you click on this F icon here, you click on Bollinger Band. All right, so once you click on Bollinger Bands, take a screenshot of what you are seeing right now, and make sure, guys, you set yours this way. All right, make sure you set your screen this way, and when you are done setting it up, you click turn. You go back to the F icon again, then you add our RSI. Take screenshot of what you are seeing here and set yours like that. And concerning this level, this is where you're going to add level, guys. All right, this is where you're going to add level. You click on that pencil icon there, it will open another another face, and that is where you're going to add all these levels that you are seeing here. All right, you add these levels that you are seeing here. So you click on, you go back to the F icon again, you add our ichumoku, take screenshot of what you are seeing here. Make sure you set yours this way, guys. Make sure you set yours this way. Look at this. This is very, very important. All right, make sure you follow my screen, since you are just setting this or applying these settings on your screen for the first time. Follow my own instructions this way, or follow my own settings this way, and set yours that way. All right, once you are done setting it up, you click done. So this is how your chart is going to look like, guys. So if you want me to really coach you on how to be making money trading volatility 75 and other synthetic indices, guys, let me know. On the I will try everything possible to put you through on how to be trading it successfully and profitably. How you are going to contact me should be when after watching this video, or in the description of this video, you will see my WhatsApp number, or my WhatsApp phone number. All you just need to do is you add me on WhatsApp, and chat me up, and I will give you the details on how to proceed, on how to enroll yourself on mentorship program. If you are interested, I am not persuading you you can do your mentorship program somewhere else, but on a main in fact, for me to be truthful to you, or if I happens to you know be telling you guys to enroll on mentorship program with me, it will seem as if I'm looking for, or I'm trying to persuade you guys to do. No, I am not persuading you guys to do that. What I'm saying is, for you to be a successful trader, you need to really, really learn how to do this very well. You cannot just come here and start practicing all these things and think you are going to make, you might make money, but I am just telling you the truth. All right, you need to enroll yourself probably somewhere else. I am not persuading you to enroll on my program. Enroll yourself somewhere so that you'll be able to be making money for yourselves. So that is it, guys. That is it. And if you like this content, as I said earlier on, do not hesitate to smash that like button, and turn on your notification bell, so that you'll be able to receive notification whenever I upload valuable content like this. So that is it, guys. That is it. Signing out. Olites. Peace.